NAVIGON is one of the world's leading producers of personal navigation products and software solutions. The Director of Product Management is Steve Giunta. Hey, Steve, welcome into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Thank you, Dave. How are you?
Pretty fine. Can you tell me, first of all, about something that's got a lot of buzz here at the show this evening as we record these interviews, and that is the Panorama View 3D feature that you have on the NAVIGON device.
Well, that feature is on the 8100T. And you can see I started to preload a route for you. And we just go there, so hit simulation.
And those of you able to watch the video podcast, and just know you can do it anytime at your convenience at intotomorrow.com, and you'll check this out. And
what you'll see here is this is a route near in Colorado, and if you look at the mountain ranges in the back, that's panorama view. What this is data that was taken by NASA in 2000. They had an 11-day space shuttle mission, and they took all the elevation data. We took that data and we overlaid it on our mapping software and created what we call panorama view. And as you can see, you're coming up and you get the perspective of the mountains in the background, the water, the different elevations, the roads in the background, and it makes for a really compelling view that nobody else has.
Yeah, so if we're using this, whether it be hiking or driving, but especially driving, what a cool view it is to know what's coming up.
You can see everything on the horizon, and the technology we used to make this was we had to take the map data, the NASA data, and then actually pretty much reinvent our map drawing algorithms and technology to do this.
Now this is the 8100T device?
The 8100T. The T stands for traffic. It has free real-time traffic for the lifetime of the device. All you do is plug in. There's a 12-volt charger that has an antenna. It comes out right out of the bottom. You start getting traffic reports immediately. It has voice recognition for address entry. So you hit a button, you're in your car, you go through a script, it learns the environment of your car and your voice, and then you can just start, telling it where you want to go by saying, city, street, and number, and go.
Now, is this similar to NAVIGON's Reality View Pro, or is that a separate feature available?
That's a separate feature. Reality View Pro is actually signs that are on the roads where you come up and you have a complex interchange, and I'm going to show you one here in a second.
Which is pretty much anywhere in the U.S., at least any major city, because the driving and the signage gets very confusing if you're not used to that area.
Well, consider that you're going 55 miles an hour and a lot of traffic, and you're 3 lanes to the left, and you needed to be 3 lanes to the right.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
So what Reality View will do is, and it'll be coming up here, is right there. Now you know exactly where to be.
That's very cool. So the street signs are actually showing up on the device, and of course it's also talking to me.
It's telling you
because I can hear it. Oh, I'm sorry, I just messed poor Angela up, but I'm trying to get it, and of course.
Towards San Francisco.
No, if those of you watching the video, I'm not eating it. I'm just holding it up to my microphone so you get the idea. But that's very cool, because it's then showing us the actual street signs that we would expect to see, minus the graffiti.
We haven't gotten to that option yet.
Exactly. You have the graffiti option and let it be your own logo or something. It'd be kind of fun.
Exactly.
But that's very cool. Now, that's Reality View as compared to the Panorama View.
Right. So the Panorama View actually shows you the terrain. Reality View has to do more with the actual street signs and like an in-city.
And of course, we're from Miami, so terrain-wise, you got beaches and other flat stuff. So the Reality View makes so much more sense for me.
Or then there's the landmark view.
Oh, sweet.
So for all the major cities, we have various landmarks, and so you're going downtown, you maybe aren't familiar.
In this case, here we are on Las Vegas Boulevard.
Exactly. Everybody likes that one.
Yeah.
So we put that one up.
And you can see all the casinos and hotels there, all the goodies available to you at this part of this Reality View.
Exactly.
Now, this is something that only NAVIGON is doing, I'm assuming.
We were the first ones to do it. Now you'll start seeing that other GPS
everybody plays catch-up
now.
Right?
So some of the things that were first for us were the Reality View, free traffic out of the box, lane assist, all those now you're starting to see again. Panorama View, we're out there by ourselves. And we also have a feature called Lane Assist, which is in here, which also shows you lanes. It gives you yet another view, so it tells you which lane to be in on secondary roads.
One of the things that they covered, I don't know if you were able to attend the actual press conference right before this event here at Unveiled, but GPS, the single biggest product category in terms of growth for consumer electronics products.
Absolutely.
By far. So, and you're in the right business, no doubt, because we all need to be told where to go.
But we'll do it nicely.
Very nicely
Very
as
nicely,
well.
yeah.
Steve Giunta, the Director of Product Management with NAVIGON. You can visit them online, of course, navigon.com. It's NAVIGON.com. We'll get you there, too. We'll link you to Steve's site. You'll see what he and his team are up to. And all of our guests here at Unveiled on this weekend show when you visit intotomorrow.com or graveline.com. Steve, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Nice
We're
meeting
back with more as Into Tomorrow continues from New York City. I'm Dave Graveline on the Advanced Media Network.